Consular processing explained. When you apply for a green card from your home country, your application will go through consular processing, also known as a CR1 visa. This means it will be handled by your local consulate or embassy. It's a different process from adjustment of status, which is used when applying for a green card from within the U.S. Applying using consular processing usually means you'll wait in your home country while your green card application gets processed. Here are the steps to apply for a green card using consular processing. Step 1. Make sure you're eligible for a green card. Step 2. Your sponsor will file an appropriate petition for your green card category, such as the I-130 form with USCIS. This step proves your relationship to the sponsor. Step 3. Wait for USCIS to approve your petition. This can take a few months to over a year. Step 4. Once USCIS approves your petition, check that the green card is available for you. If you're married to a U.S. citizen, you won't need to wait, but other green card applicants can face long delays. Check the visa bulletin for more info. Step 5. Once a visa is available, USCIS will forward your petition to the National Visa Center, NVC, for processing. The NVC is part of the State Department and processes green card applications for people living outside the U.S. Step 6. The NVC will let you know when to pay fees and provide documentation for your application. You'll fill out and submit Form DS-260 to provide all the relevant information. Step 7. The NVC will forward your application to the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate, which will schedule an in-person interview. Step 8. Before the interview, you'll need to attend a medical exam. You can only use a doctor approved by USCIS. Step 9. For the interview, you'll need to bring your passport and original documentation. When you arrive, a consular office will place you under oath and ask you questions about your application. Step 10. The consular office will make a decision about your application. They may tell you right away or wait. They usually make a decision within that week. Step 11. If your application is approved, you'll receive a visa allowing you to travel to the U.S. Step 12. Your travel visa will be valid for 6 months from the date of your medical exam. When you enter the U.S., a U.S. border officer will decide whether to admit you into the country. Step 13. Your visa will now be valid to travel in and out of the U.S. for up to 1 year. During that time, USCIS will mail your green card to your U.S. address. Consular processing takes between 10 and 13 months, although it could be shorter or longer depending on your situation. The fees for consular processing vary, but for family-based and marriage green cards, there's a $535 filing fee for Form I-130 and a $325 application processing fee for a total of $860. For employment-based green cards, the fee is a little higher, coming to a total of $1,045. Other green card applicants may have somewhat higher or lower fees. You'll also have to pay for a medical exam, which typically costs around $200. If you've obtained your green card through marriage, but you were married for less than 2 years when you entered the U.S., your green card will be valid for 2 years. After 2 years, you can apply for a permanent green card. You'll then be eligible to apply for U.S. citizenship after 5 years or 3 years if you're the spouse of a U.S. citizen. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Boundless on YouTube. Thanks for watching.